Okay, so I'm in the living room, looking down the hall to the front door. This door here is the bathroom. This is a small closet under the stairs. I'll show you in a minute. Go upstairs. But what bothers me the most so far is this crack in the ceiling. It looks like it dips. And it looks like maybe something leaked on the ceiling. That's a definite dip and a crack. So we'll have to go upstairs and see what's happening there. I also noticed on this glass, the pane, the seal is broken. That's why it's shady like that.